Pro mesh ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It is quite thin, so it's kind of like see-through. I like to use 2 pieces per petal. So we start with a 10 by 10 piece, curl side up. We put 2 pieces together with the seam on the left side. You start with the top corner and you fold down to the bottom corner and just flatten it out. You're going to pinch in the middle like so, and you're going to fold and drag your piece into the center. Take your other side and fold and drag into the center, and you form like a scoop. That's when your clips come in handy. You clip it together, get your little garbage pail and your scissors, and trim off the bottom. We'll do that again. You take your curl side up, and again, we're using 2 pieces per just because the mesh is a little bit thin. Seam to the left, take the top corner, fold it down to the bottom, and flatten it out. You'll pinch in the center. You'll take your top, fold it in, and drag it down to the bottom. Same thing with this side, fold it in, and drag into the center. And then you've got your little scoop. Now we're going to trim off the bottom. Okay, and you've got your other scoop. You put them together, and now is when we're going to take our rubber band and we're going to rubber band them together. One, 2, and now you've got your 2 lips to look like a tulip. Let's do that again. I've got my 2 pieces together already. I'm going to start curl side up, start from the top, seam on the left, fold to the center, flatten it out, pinch in the middle, curl to the bottom, drag it to the bottom center, form out your little scoop, trim it, clip that one. Each of these pieces are cut 10 by 10, and you don't have to worry about heat sealing it at all, which is a really good thing about this petal. Again, corner to corner, fold it in half, flatten it down, pinch in the middle, fold and drag to the center, fold and drag to the center. You can form it out. They do not have to be perfect. Each petal can be a little bit smaller or bigger. They do not have to be exact. So then you take your petal and your other petal and you join them together. Now they could be a little bit up, they could be a little down, they could be right in the middle, however you want to see your petal look. Then you get your rubber band. And secure it together. And now you've got your tulip petal. I make about 8 to 10 petals each per color, and it all depends on how you want it to look when you go to your board.